So once you've learned some of the basics of belly dance, as you go on, you can expect to learn things like camels, which is this move. And this is what we would call an undulation. Okay, and what happens is you have one foot in front of the other, and you're stepping on the front foot and the back foot, like this. And as you step on the front foot, you stretch along the front, lifting the chest a little bit more. And then as you step on the back foot, you pull the belly button in towards your spine. So you stretch, then pull the belly button towards your spine. Stretch, pull in. Stretch, pull in. And you can see I'm on the balls of my feet as well. So there's this type of movement that you will learn after you've been going a little while. And another move that you will get to eventually is called the Egyptian walk. And it looks like this. Okay, a lot of shaking of the hips. And when we slow that down, we actually get an action that slowed looks like this. The hip goes down, then kicks out, then the other hip comes up slightly. Down, out, up. 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 Down, and down, and down, and down. And we speed up to get what looks like a little bit like a shimmy. This can take a little while to get, and you wouldn't be taught that in your first lesson, but eventually you'll go on to learn these things and practice them, and you'll soon find yourself Egyptian walking around, because you can do it. Some of these moves look way more complicated when they're done at full speed, but there's lots of really good belly dance teachers out there, and they're really, really good at breaking things down into their component parts and slowly teaching you the different sections, and then you gradually build up the speed. So don't be intimidated by any of these moves or any other moves that you see. Just have a go, start from the beginning, be very, very patient, and take your time to learn the basics of the moves, and go through, follow what your teacher is saying, and you can do it. It doesn't matter how old you are, what size you are, what experience you have of belly dance or any other dance. You get started and you'll be on the road to being able to do lots of these moves.